Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on OPPO Reno11 F. So you have to start with opening your Google application and now click on your avatar and then go to settings. Now click on Google Assistant and then click on Hey Google and Voice Match, and now click here on Hey Google, then click on More and I agree, More and I agree. Next. Next, More and I agree. And now click on Retrain Voice Match Model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click Next. Next. More and I agree. Then you can click Back. And now click on Lock Screen. Then click Yes, I'm in. And make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on a lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.